morning, everyone. Today's game plan. Oh, hi. Today's game plan is to head to IKEA, buy a wardrobe for baby Tezeo's room. We are going to finally get this project done. This wall is going to be painted. I know it's hard to see. This has become a dumping ground. Later, buddy, later. This has become a dumping ground for everything baby Tezeo in this room. And it is not organized. It is not done, obviously. We just built this room. If you are new here, we had a massive loft. And this space was one huge loft. I don't know if it's hard to see. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. We built two rooms. So room number one is going to be my 1-year-old son, Tezeo's room. And then room number two is an office, which is almost done, which I'll show you probably a little bit later in today's video. But this room has become a dumping ground. I've been just like putting everything in here. Everything that I want eventually to be in this room will go here. But first things first, I need to get a wardrobe for this area, organize all of his clothes, shoes, supplies. Yeah, well, I'm gonna be doing something kind of fun with shoes because we're shoe people, and it goes with the theme of his room to display like all his little cute Nikes and shoes. So we're gonna be doing that. So first things first, go to IKEA, get a wardrobe. Full disclosure, my dad is not doing well at all. So I'm low-key trying to fill my schedule with millions of projects to keep my mind off of it and to keep myself busy. There'll be more about it later, but yeah. Okay, what time is it now? It is 9:56. This little boy goes to take his nap around 10:45, 11, like clockwork. Otherwise, he gets extremely cranky. So we are running out of time. I'm hoping to just go there. It takes about 10 minutes to get to IKEA from my house, pick it, get him in the car, and get back so that I can work on the room while he naps. It is also a busy day because Ace has a football game 45 minutes away, and we have to leave directly after I pick up the kids from school. We have to shoot back out there. So welcome to our crazy day. I'm sure there'll be a crock pot meal somewhere in here. There'll be some chatting and lots of other things. So let's get this room underway. One load washed in the dryer. Second load is in the wash. Hopefully I get back so it's not sitting too long, but Mama's busy. Got to get stuff going. Come on. Come on, let's get your shoes on so we can get back before your nap. I'll bring you some snacks, okay? Come on. Let's go. All right, first things first, I'm gonna get myself a sugar-free vanilla iced coffee because Mama needs some energy. Small win. I don't have a massive box in my passenger seat like I did for the past week, maybe week and a half. I had an ice maker that I needed to return, and the seller was giving me a hard time, telling me I had to pay for it. We got it from Amazon. Hold on, let me order real quick. Nutty pumpkin spice coffee. I think I want that.
Good morning. Would you like to try our signature pumpkin spice latte today?
No, thank you. I would like to try the nutty pumpkin iced coffee. Is there a way you can make it a little bit less sweet?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so just about half the amount of sweetness. Chorizo and egg wrap.
We are out of that one.
Okay, I'll do a sourdough breakfast sandwich.
Gotcha. In order of hash browns for that?
Yes, please. As I was saying, huge win that I got to deliver that. Look at him. What are you doing? Did you hear hash browns? They're coming, my love. Also, another huge win. I paid my registration $965. I didn't realize that it was a little bit expired, and until I got a ticket at Ace's football game. $75 that I need to take care of. That's next on the list to do today. But the DMV website was down for like a week, or well, periodically for the week, and every time I tried to log in, it just wasn't working. And then I realized I needed to get a smog. So got that done, got that paid for. Checking that off the list, got to pay for the parking ticket. Okay, let me get this fuel in me and head to IKEA. Okay, I'm at IKEA, and these are the two, I think, best options. This one is $250, really, really nice. This is the color that I want. And it has two sides. It'll fit perfectly. Two hanging areas and two shelves here to put like bins on. Same thing on this side. And then, Tazeo's getting fussy already. Throwing things. Are we throwing things? Almost done, I promise. And then we have this white one here, which I think is pretty plain, but I plan on changing the knobs to look nicer, and it's literally the same concept. I think that this one is a little bit nicer looking and well made for only $50 more. So I'm gonna see which one hubby wants. All right, here's another option. $250 and then $169, which I think this is just way too small. But this one is cool because he can grow into it. And then it has shelves here for like cubes for like blanket storage and bulkier items. But the only problem with this one is I really wanted 2 of these rails, and it looks like I can only put 1. So that's the only downside, but he can definitely grow into this. We are clearly getting distracted. Gotta get this tent. Okay, that's done. Did I get out of there in 45 minutes? No, it is 12 o'clock. Way past his nap time. We're gonna race home. I'm gonna put him down for a nap because we have to leave at 2:30. So he's only gonna have like a 2-hour nap, which is fine. He usually goes for 2.5, 3, but that's okay. We gotta work with what we got, right? All right, so let's go home. While I was gone at IKEA, the guys put in the doors. They look so beautiful. I love that the light is going to shine through because they're clear. And they went ahead and started painting the baseboards white, because this wall, if you remember in some of my previous videos or earlier in this video, I'm not sure where I put it, this wall was not here. This was just one big room. So they literally made this room. So they had to put in new baseboards, new casing, I think is what it's called, I think. And they painted the door as well as these doors because they were just primed only. And then they also painted the baseboards in my office. So it looks really, really good. They're on their lunch break now, and then they will be painting this wall gray. I wanted to put a wallpaper here, but I haven't decided what I want. So they're just gonna paint it gray to match the rest of the walls for now. So it gives me time to think about it. And then here is the wardrobe that they're gonna be putting together. So I will show you by the end of this vlog, the wardrobe completely done and in its little home. Ooh, it's turning out so good. Baby's asleep. I'm currently trying to get some work done here, and I am chowing down on literally the best Chinese food ever. There's a place near our house, like 0.7 miles away, and they have the best Chinese food. So this is Mongolian beef. Yeah, Mongolian beef. And it's spicy and it's like perfection. And I get half fried rice, half chow mein noodles. They kind of skimped on the noodles this time. I've ate a portion of them, but so I'm gonna eat this, get some work done before the baby wakes up, and I have to get the kids from school, go to the football game, and then come home, make dinner.
Come on, Luca. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Good thing.
There you go! Yeah! There you go, Ace! Good boy! Let's go!
Are you done with your snack? Yeah? Okay. I am going to whip up some garlic fried rice with some rice that I made yesterday, and I like lots of garlic in it, so that's a lot. And then I whipped up a half ground turkey, half ground beef, kind of like Korean style, kind of like Korean marinated style ground beef dish that we're just going to put on top of the garlic fried rice. And I may fry an egg on top. And then I have some of this, well, maybe not an egg. If someone wants an egg, good. But if not, I'll just put some of this like boom boom sauce on it. It's like kind of like a cheap style Korean barbecue meal. The marinade that I use for this is equal parts honey, soy sauce, then I did some pepper, some freshly ground ginger, and some garlic, and what else? Oh, sesame oil, and that's it, I think just those things. And some chili flakes and a little bit of sriracha. Cannot find sriracha anywhere, but I found like a couple sriracha packets, like from a to-go thing, so I did that. Does it smell good? Mm-hmm. Oh, hello. Say hello to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Everyone is home or just chilling. And let me turn this down before I burn this garlic because it's really easy to burn this garlic. I'm gonna make garlic fried rice. You down for that? Oh my goodness. All right. Then we're gonna stir it up and get all that yummy, good garlic goodness spread throughout every single grain of rice, and also just so it doesn't burn on the bottom there. What do we think of this meal?
I need to try it.
Oh, I'll wait for you to try it. What do you think? Yes? It's a winner? It's different, right? Getting a little creative. It's like Korean barbecue rice bowls, but then, what does it taste like?
Sushi kind of.
Oh, so I got this boom boom sauce because I was gonna do like an at-home Korean barbecue type thing, but I thought this would be good over it. It's a winner. Yum. Okay, final update in this vlog. The wall is painted. Everything looks beautiful. And then the wardrobe is also built. It fits perfectly here. Well, a little big, but it will do. And this is the wardrobe that I picked. It has plenty of space for growth. And then there is some optional shelves. So next time I go to IKEA, I'll grab the optional shelf that goes right there. No, this isn't a toy. Come on, my love. Come on, babe. Let me show you the other side. Hi. And then this has 3 shelves where we can put bulkier things. I think I'm gonna put like his diaper bags and some bins with like his blankets and off-season clothes, things like that. Okay? All right. Are you happy with your room? Are you happy? He wants to close it. Come on. All right, that's it for this vlog. We will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.